Assalamualaikum girls, open your book, countdown book, page number 40, exercise 2A. The first question is fill in the blank. You can see here. The sum of 8,000 and 1,000 is equal dash. You will only add these numbers and write the sum here. B, C and D part is also same. In E part also you will write 1,975 plus 25. And what will be the answer? You will write it here. Exercise 2. State whether the following are true or false. Okay, I am telling you here. A part, to add two numbers, we add ones first. I make it here. They are saying that if we add two numbers, for example, I write two numbers here. Where from we start adding? We start from 10th side or from this side? Of course, we start from the one side. So we add ones first. Okay, so it is true. The second one is 4,250 is the sum, means this is the answer of these two numbers. 3,125, I write it here, plus 1,025, I write it here. So when we add these two numbers, our answer is 4,150, not 4,250. You can see it here. 5 plus 5 is equal 10, because you are doing these questions at the very first time. So there are two digits, 10. We write the place value of these two numbers. So but this is one side, we will pick ones, means 0 here, and 10 side there is a digit 1, we will write ones in 10 side. So 2 plus 2 is equal 4, plus 1 5, 1 plus 0 is 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. So our answer is this. This is different answer. Okay, so this statement is false. C, when we add the numbers, we start adding from the left. You can see in this addition question, whenever you add any question, where from you start? You start from one side or 1,000 side? Of course, we start adding from this side, one side. So you can check your hand. Your hand is right. This hand is right or left? This is right. But the right, we start from the left side. Left side is this one. So this is also false, because whenever we start adding, we start from our right side, one side. This is our right side. Okay, the right, we start from the left. This is wrong, so false. 100 more than, more mean plus, more than 6,504 means we will add these two numbers and our answer is 6,604. How we can understand? First of all, we will solve it and then we find its answer. We write 6,504, I write it here, plus more mean more, plus 100, I write it here, 100, 4 0 5 and 1 6 6, 6,604. You can see the same answer, so this is true. Numbers written horizontally cannot be added. I give you two examples. This is horizontally and this is vertically. If you write any number like this, 10 plus 10 or 5 plus 5, any number, if you write 10 plus 10, I write 10 plus 10, our answer will be 20. This is horizontally, I write it in horizontally. If you write in vertically like this, as you can see in your books also, vertically 10 plus 10, our answer will be 20. Okay, but they said that we cannot add any numbers in horizontally. I add it, you also read in 2 class. Okay, so we can add numbers in horizontally also. so this is also false. I hope you understand this page. So my dear students, after completing this page, the next page is 41. It's very easy, simple questions. Okay, solve this solve this page also. And the next one, the next page is a little bit different, so I will send you another video.